The Earth is capable of maintaining life. Why exactly is this? Well, one reason is the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is like an actual greenhouse, the glass walls of which the structure is made of trap heat from the sun to keep the plants warm. But in our case, it's a much bigger scale. The sun sends heat to our planet, and the greenhouse effect traps about 70% of the heat in our solar system for tens to hundreds of years. Climate change is a big issue. The Earth has been heating up on average 1.7 degrees Celsius per century in the recent centuries. This has to do with humans. For example, trees play a part in getting the greenhouse gases to not linger negatively by storing the carbon dioxide emitted from factories and power plants. Despite that, humans have cut down over 800 million trees since 2017 in the Amazon rainforest alone, and over 15 billion in the world each year. This may not be as big of a problem if humans weren't burning fossil fuels to the extent they are. Burning fossil fuels releases these greenhouse gases, which get trapped in the atmosphere, heating it up. Even though we think that climate change is only caused by humans, there are many different natural causes to climate change. One of these causes is volcanic eruptions. Methane is also a cause. It is released when animals digest and let go of their manure. Nitrous oxide is also released in the air, making another cause of climate change. This comes from forest fires. When the temperatures are very hot, forests can burn up, releasing this dangerous greenhouse gas. Although in the last handful of centuries we have not experienced a lot of volcanoes that produce enough carbon dioxide to be harmful, as climate.gov says, volcanoes have occasionally contributed to global warming by producing significant amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. Scientists think that 250 million years ago, a bunch of lava poured over what is now known as Siberia, spitting out so much lava for hundreds of thousands of years that global temperatures reached so high that it caused a super bad extinction event that was worse than ever recorded or discovered. Reducing our impact on Earth warming is difficult, but it is possible. Electric cars are being made, and if we have people only use electric vehicles, it will reduce the impact on fossil fuels and all the oil we use. When we chop down trees and make animals overgraze, they start releasing too much methane into the atmosphere. A solution would be to have designated areas that you can't make animals graze too much. Trees release carbon dioxide, but we chop down too many to the point that we don't have a lot of carbon. Saving our trees is necessary.